Welcome to the 201st day of the Swasthya 365 days project. Today we are going to see what is an electrocardioversion and a pacemaker is. If the drugs are not able to control persistent irregular heartbeat or heart rhythm such as atrial fibrillation, cardioversion may be required. After administration of a shock-tackling anesthesia, electrical shock is delivered to your chest wall that synchronizes the heart and allows a normal rhythm to restart. So what is a pacemaker? Pacemaker is a device that sends small electrical impulses to the heart muscle to maintain the suitable heart rate. Pacemakers primarily prevent the heart beating too slowly. The pacemaker has a pulse generator which houses a battery and a tiny computer and leads wires. Then send impulses from the pulse generator to the heart muscle. Newer pacemakers have many sophisticated features that are diagnosed to help manage arrhythmias and optimize heart rate related function as much as possible. What is an implantable cardioverter defibrillator, abbreviated as ICDs? ICD is a sophisticated device which is used to treat primarily ventricular tachycardia and ventricular fibrillation, two life-threatening heart rhythms. The ICD constantly monitors the heart rhythm. When it detects a very fast abnormal heart rhythm, it delivers energy to the heart muscle to cause the heart to beat in normal rhythm again. There are several ways that ICD which is used to restore a normal heart rhythm. They include an anti-tachycardia pacing or an ATP, which when the heart beats too fast, a series of small electrical impulses may be delivered to the heart muscle and restore normal heart rate and rhythm. Cardioversion, a low energy shock, may be delivered at the same time as the heart beats to restore the normal heart rhythm. Defibrillation, when a heart is beating dangerously fast or irregularly after high energy shock may be delivered to the heart muscle to restore the normal heart rhythm. Anti-bradycardia pacing, many ISDs provide backup pacing to maintain the heart rhythm if it slows too much. I hope it is good for you. Thank you.